Hi, this is Chris from Epoxy ETC, and I'm glad you could join us here today to watch this lovely garage floor that we're going to be installing here at our friend Nella Gear's house. So as we get along in this video here, you're going to see that we have to wipe down the floor, clean the floor real good, prep the floor. Prep is king. We have a two-part product that we're applying, our 100% ECTR product. And we're going to be putting the B into the cup here, and we're going to be putting the A into the cup. We're measuring this out. We're going to be doing a very fun, very freeing dispersity of the liquid, as you're going to see here in just a little bit. So what we're doing is we're mixing up the material first. We've picked out some nice colors here, safety orange and safety yellow. We have Nella right there. As you can see her, she's got all the material in this cup, and it's got a hole in it, and it is dispersing the liquid, as you can see, going back and forth. It's a very unique way of applying different colors to a floor. So you can have a lot of fun with it. As you can see, they're all wrapped up in their plastic and having some fun. This here is going to be used, I think she's going to use this as a studio or an office for her home. She's a girl I taught the industry business to, selling diamond tools, and has done very well at it. And she wanted to use our epoxy at Epoxy ETC because she had heard great things about it. And she came up and bought the product from us and has been super happy with it, and has called me and said she can't believe how nice her garage turned out. So along with these epoxies, if you want to do effects, you can also put acetone, you can spray xylene or any type of solvent onto the floor, which will give you more of like kind of like moon crater look. But this is just one way of which to apply different colors of epoxy. You can do metallics, you can do quartz, which is like a sand. But this here happens to be a really wild, crazy floor that Nella Gear had inspired in her mind. And thank you for joining us and enjoying this nice ride.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for future videos. Have a great day out there.